In the last video, we got ready to push the data into Firebase. Now we must put the data into a particular Firebase structure, which is actually a JSON form, JavaScript object notation. And this is quite simple, really. It's just like in Python, this would be considered dictionary form. So you just give the name of the object, client data, I'm going to call it. And you put it in between these curly brackets, and then you've got this kind of key value kind of name. So I'm just going to say first name there is equal to fn value that we got, separated by commas. Then we had last name, which is going to be ln value. The ones we got up above. Email was email field value. The next one then was gender. Gender field value. Again, it's all separated by commas. Country was country field value. Inquiry was inquiry value, and we don't need the comma for the last one because you're finished. And so we have the data ready now in JavaScript object notation form. And what we're going to do, I think we'll go straight for it now. No, see you in the next video to write this data to Firebase.